The Honeywell Series 3 plug-in wireless doorbell with strobe light and push button represents the premier in performance and versatility. This plug-in doorbell and push button are easily accessible and easily installed. The doorbell comes equipped with a strobe light that flashes when the button is pressed, and you will also be alerted by any of the 6 pre-installed 84 decibel tunes. Reaching up to 250 feet, this doorbell can be connected with up to 4 transmitters simultaneously, and you never have to worry about batteries. Just plug in the wireless doorbell and you're ready to go. The push button has an illuminated LED ring, is weather resistant, comes with a surface mount, and is wireless push button compatible. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.